Natural sounds that calm the human brain. 1. Rainfall. Steady rain reduces stress, slows breathing, and helps the brain relax. 2. Ocean waves. Repetitive wave sounds promote deep relaxation and mental clarity. 3. Forest ambience. Birds, leaves, and wind lower anxiety and improve focus. 4. Flowing rivers and streams. Gentle water movement calms the nervous system. 5. Birdsong boosts mood and reduces feelings of tension. 6. Wind through trees creates a soothing rhythm that quiets overthinking. 7. Crackling fire provides warmth and comfort, helping the mind feel safe. 8. Night insects, crickets, encourage relaxation and better sleep quality. These sounds activate the parasympathetic nervous system, helping the brain shift into a calm, restorative state, perfect for sleep, meditation, or stress relief. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to follow and subscribe for more amazing content.